Sleep. Further, you go to bed, you feel drifting, floating, dreaming, ready to go into hypnosis whenever I say sleep or do a gesture in front of you. You and I, great good friends. As I double tap this area, waves of relaxation flow from your forehead, the back of your head, down to the soles of your feet, making you feel happy, relaxed, and wonderful. As I triple tap, 9-hour nap, 7-hour back rub, man, you're doing great. Ready to go into hypnosis even deeper when I bring you back up. 1, 2, 3, wakey. How you doing, dudes? Ready to do it again? We'll do it again, make it even more deeper relax. How you feeling? All right. What I want you to do is spread your feet apart now, a little bit. And these are cool. Bang, 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 bang to the floor, okay? You're going to just drop down from here down. The rest of you stay stiff as a board. You got it? Stiff as a board. Here down, loose. Here down, stiff. You got it? Follow my finger, follow me finger with your eyes. Follow me finger with your eyes. Head dropping down. Sleep all the way down. Drifting, floating, dreaming, rocking, relaxing. Every rock, every tap. 85,000 times. Deeper, further, deeper you go, the better you feel. Drifting, floating, dreaming. Whenever I just say sleep or whenever I say anything like that, snap my fingers, you go right back into hypnosis, deeper than you are right now. You and I great good friends. Whenever I show you my red shoes make you feel like a little kid. They're the silliest, funniest clown shoes you ever saw. My red shoes just make you laugh and smile. That's true. Eyes open, staying in hypnosis. Look at my shoes, look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. It's funnier and sillier and sillier and funny. Funnier and sillier and sillier. Funny. Silly, funny. Maybe clap your hands like a little kid. Go, happy, funny, silly, funny, silly. Happy, silly, funny. Sleep all the way down. Drifting, floating, dreaming. Hands dropping down, nice and loose. When I put your hand on your head is crazy glued to your head. The harder you try and take it off, the sillier it is, the funnier it is. That's when I tap you on this shoulder. Head glued to your head glued, crazy glued, tough, stuck like glue. Eyes opening, staying in hypnosis. 1, 2, 3. Stuck, like you're looking in the face. Stuck. You can't move it. Stuck. Like that over there. Now what happens? And then bang, stuck. Silly and funny, weird. Something you lied, I don't think so. Stuck. Sleep all the way down. Drifting, floating, dreaming, hand loosey-goosey all the way down. When I tap you on this shoulder, your feet are glued to the ground. When I tap you on that shoulder, your feet are loose as a goose, able to move. Stuck, it's loose. You got that. Eyes opening. Bang. Try to move, you can't. Stuck. Try harder, you can't. Funny, silly. Bang. Easy to move, look at this. Funny. Bang. Stuck like glue. Boom. Loose as a goose. Stuck. Boom. Try it, you can't move. Look at me. Sleep all the way down. Drifting, floating, dreaming. Wakey, feeling fantastic. Free of all mess suggestions. I'm going to give you one more. I'm going to give you a 9-hour nap, 7-hour back. You understand with that? Feeling great? Are you with him? And you're going to go for a big hug and a kiss. Look at my finger. Sleep all the way down. Drifting, floating, dreaming. As I double tap this, you're getting a 9-hour nap and a 7-hour back rub. Man, are you on top of the world. Feeling fantastic, happy, wonderful, and free. On top of the world, thriving, succeeding, living your dreams. Better successful, better success, better motivated, and free of procrastination. Living your dreams. On the count of 3, big goofy handshake. My shoes are silly. When I say kissy, you go over and give her a big kissy huggy. 1, 2, 3, wakey. Big goofy handshake. Have you seen my funny shoes? Have you seen those silly shoes? Funny and silly. Kissy. Kissy. What? Woo! You rock, brother man.